Yeah, some of the biggest challenges that I'm hearing from many of the client organizations I'm working with is a sense of people feeling separate, disconnected, a lack of sense of belonging. And we know that as human beings, we crave connection. We need community. We need to feel a sense of belonging, even us introverts. I'm an introvert myself. And there's a point of being at home alone, working in quarantine, that you think, oh my gosh, I need to be around people. And so virtual meetings like today are incredibly effective to transmit information. But what we miss out on are those priceless conversations that we would have if we were in the same office. Those little hallway banters, or just pop into somebody's office or cubicle, or pass somebody on the way in the door, out the door. And we know that that's when some of not only our best ideas are generated, but that's often where we create the greatest connection with people. So what I've been suggesting to clients that I'm working with is schedule one-on-one conversations with people via Zoom or Teams or even on the phone, but just to give people the opportunity to really connect, and maybe even ask just a very simple question like, how are you? How is this working out for you? What are some of the challenges you're facing? And how can I help you? And then to really just listen. And as Carla said, be empathetic and compassionate with people, and not to do this phone call one-on-one just one time and then be done. But I would think over the next 6, maybe even 12 months, as we begin this slow transition back to, I'm not even going to say the new normal, because I don't know if we're going to get back to normal. People are going to need that extra support in sort of recreating a sense of security, a sense of connectedness, a sense of community that's going to be so important as any business or organization moves forward.